Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters week of Vit-Ap University. So we'll take a look at a Java topic today. It is string buffer, and I already discussed about this topic string buffer and string builder in a previous video. But don't worry, I'll tell you once more. Like, what is a string buffer? String buffer is a it is like a string, but it can be modified at any point in time. It contains some particular sequence of characters, but the length and content of the sequence it can be changed through certain method. And we'll take a look at one of that method, which is substring. We'll take a look at a method which is substring, and basically if it is like string, so why do we need string buffer? Because one of the main reason is string buffer, it is mutable, and also it is faster than string, and it consumes less memory when we like concatenate two or more strings. So yeah, that's why we need it. And string buffer, it doesn't override the equals method of object class. Basically what string does, there is a object class which is not visible to the user. It is part of JVM, and it has a method which is equals. So when we use this string instead of string buffer, so what it does, it overrides that equals method, but it doesn't do that. String buffer doesn't do that. And one more main difference is it uses heap memory. Here I'll tell you more about heap memory and constant pool memory in some other video. But yeah, it uses heap memory, and that string it is uses string constant pool. Okay, so let's start with an example. It is very easy one and it won't take very long. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create this string buffer, and for creating it we have to use string buffer, and we are naming it str and then new keyword, and after that we have to use string buffer, and let's add some data in this string buffer. So let's say I'm adding CSRV code. So value of my SGR, it is equal to CSRV code. As you can see, I'll print it out for you. So yeah, you can see the value of my string buffer, it is equal to str. And as I said, we are gonna discuss about one of its method, which is substring. So yeah, let's talk about it. So what substring does, it gives us, it returns the some part of the string. Like our string, it is CSIV code. So if we want some part of the string, we have to use substring. So it has one parameter, which is compulsion. Like at least you have to use one parameter. So let's say I'm using 2. So if we look at the output, it is coming out IV code, because the index of I, it is 2, and as you can look over here, it is saying start. So our substring, it will start from index 2 up to the end. So I, it is at index 2 and up to last, which is E. It will print from I to E. And there is one more parameter which we can give to our substring, and it is optional, which is the end. Okay, so if let's say I am giving 5, so it won't end at index 5, but it will end at index 4. So it will go up to index 4, not 5. It is kind of rule. It is some kind of rule in this programming. So it will go up to index 4. So as you can see, it is printing out IVC, not IVC. So I hope it was clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just rewind the video. You can also ask us in the comment section if you face any difficulty or any problem. If you have any suggestion for us or any advice for us, you can just point out in the comment section. We'll take a look at it. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.